Hello, welcome back to another episode of I Captain of My Ship. Today I'd like to talk about what do you do when you see your child fall on her knees or falls from something and you see that it hurts. How do you react? What's the response that you can give? From my perspective, what I think is a good thing how to react. First of all, when you see your child fall, make sure that you look it from a distance and see how your child reacts, how it solves this problem on its own. Is it really that awful that it really starts to cry? Or is it just that it fell and it's just claps in his hands like done and runs further in his game and moves on with his play that he's playing with his friends? How is his reaction? How does he solve the problem? So that would be, from my perspective, the best thing to do. What is his or her reaction in this case? And it will be different always, but just give your child the freedom to see how it will react. Okay, that's the first one. The second one, when you see that it is asking for your attention, um, then it's a good idea to acknowledge the pain. With acknowledge the pain, it really hurts, doesn't it? Then it all already softens the pain. So just acknowledge it. And then the third step is when it's complaining about a fake pain, like stomach ache or something. You think, yeah, I can't really see it, so I don't know what's going on. What you can do is ask your child to close his or her eyes and show with his finger where is the pain. Is it here? Where is it in your arm? Is it with your eye? Is it in your head? Is it in your stomach? Where is it? So you know exactly where it is. And because I'm not a doctor, I would suggest that if it's something that you do not really trust, always just seek for advice, medical advice, see a doctor. If you think it might be something, because I don't know for your situation, of course. So always make sure that you follow your own instinct. So that's always good to do. Um, oh yeah, and when possible, give your child control over the pain, over the situation. For example, when it has a bandage and it has to be removed from the wound, you know it hurts, and the child also know it hurts. So give a little bit control in a situation like that, if possible. Count till three together. Okay, on the count of three, I'll take it off. So it won't be done in a minute that he is not aware of it. So give control if possible in a situation. And very important, when a child hurts or it will hurt, when you know something will happen now, that it will hurt, always be honest. Why is it so important to be honest with your child? It can really harm the trust in you as a parent if you're not honest. If you tell your child, oh, just do that, it won't hurt, and it hurts, your child feels like, that's not true. Mommy lied. Mommy or daddy lied to me. That's not true. It's not honest. So always be honest. When you tell your child, um, do this, the doctor will help you, but it won't hurt, make sure that it really don't hurt. Be honest in all the things that you tell your child. So your child knows he or she can trust you. And then the last one for today, the magical thinking. Like the magical kiss for small children, this really helps. When you give a magical kiss on a wound that hurts, then it's like a miracle, then it's solved in a minute. So those things help with small children. So I hope these tips will really help you to look at your own situation, if there's something that you can try and see how it works in your situation. And because I've noticed that there are people who like to know more about emotions and boundaries and how you can set limits for boundaries and everything. I will give a workshop on Wednesday the 15th of March from 8 till 9:30 p.m. Amsterdam time. So if you want to know more about it, please send me an email at info@icaptainofmyship.com. info@icaptainofmyship.com. And I'll look forward to your message. And if you have some question, please let me know and I'll answer your question and help you to move forward, to build a good relationship with your child, and help you enjoy raising your children. Okay, that's it for today. Talk to you soon. Talk to you on Thursday. Bye bye.